Hi, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Holy Cross Academy in Fredericksburg, Virginia. And it was a beautiful day with the kindergarten through 8th grade students and staff, and just a really overwhelming day too. A lot of emotion, a lot of students that got to share with me after the talk that something I shared touched their hearts. And the main focus was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at somebody's heart first and foremost, just like Christ does for all of us, right, that sees us for our heart, and we try to see others through the same eyes as Christ, right, to show that perfect example of perfect love, and he's our ultimate inspiration to do that. Also to understand that, like the shirt says here, one race human, that we see everybody around us as human beings before anything else as well, and that we remember our own self-worth. All of us have the letter M etched on all of our palms, M for miracle. It says this in Isaiah 49, and I have engraved in the palm of my hands, and W upside down for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And once we do receive it fully in our hearts, that we turn, potentially us who were hurting originally, hurt people who hurt people, into healed people who heal people. That our heart, as big as our fist, if Christ and love and compassion and kindness can fully enter, we turn that into this, right? The peace sign, that one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, if we choose to show them that empathy and kindness and understanding. So just again, a really amazing time with everybody here. Students and staff both said that it really touched their heart, and I said, look, if I can touch your heart in about 45 minutes, think about the difference you can make on someone else's heart if you keep your heart open every day. So keep spreading the love, keep spreading the truth, keep spreading his life, and until next time, much love and peace.